In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock your Google Slides in just 5 minutes. Let's dive right in and make sure you keep your presentation secure from unwanted edits. To kick things off, you'll want to head over to Google Slides. Open your preferred web browser and type in Google Slides to get started. Once the homepage loads, ensure that you're signed into your Google account. If not, take a moment to enter your credentials and gain access. Consider this a quick reminder to protect your login information by not sharing your password or using it on shared computers without caution. With your Google account access sorted, locate the Google Slides homepage. Here you can find all your existing presentations or start fresh with a new one. For today's purpose, let's create a new blank presentation. Click on the option to open up a blank slide deck. This part is essential for those who prefer starting from scratch when setting up a new project. After your new presentation appears, it's time to move on to the File menu found on the taskbar at the top of your screen. Clicking on File opens a drop-down menu where you'll find the Download option. This feature might come in handy whenever you need to export your slides in different formats. But stay with me here, as we're specifically interested in making your slides images. In the Download submenu, look for and select PNG image, PNG current slide. This will convert and download your current slide as an image file, which is an important step in locking your presentation. Saving your slide as a PNG file effectively freezes its content, rendering it static, so no one can make alterations directly on the slide. It's a good practice for slides where you finalize the content and design. Now, with your slide saved as an image, you can insert it back into your presentation, replacing the editable version. First, go to Insert and click on Image, then choose Upload from Computer. Navigate to where you saved your PNG file, select it, and add it to the slide. Adjust its size to fit the entire slide, covering any editable elements. And there you have it. Your slide content is now locked, preventing any direct edits. This is a great technique when you're collaborating and need to preserve certain slides in their final form. And that's a wrap. Remember, transforming slides into images ensures your content remains unchanged no matter who's viewing it. Stick around for more tips on how to efficiently manage your digital workspace. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.